Hello guys and welcome to my channel, and today I will be teach you how to install Ubuntu 22 on your machine. Okay, let's start it. First step, we will inject the USB into the USB port of the PC. Next we will turn on the laptop. Step 2. Click the F2 button in this of the Dell XPS 15. Now we will see the boot. The boot menu is the Ubuntu and SanDisk. Now I will show you the system configuration. Startup version is ASCII. Turn on and secure boot and do the secure boot. Secure boot is enabled. If this is ticked right, you click to this now and see the secure and do the secure boot mode, deploy mode. Okay, everything is finished. Now you will exit and select yes and click the F12 button in this. F12 button and select to UEFI USB SanDisk partition 2 and enter. Now we will select the trial install Ubuntu in this. Select trial install. Now it's a boot. This boot is used long time. I will skip. See you in the install process. Now this is the install process. Next, we will click install Ubuntu from left. Right click in this. Select in English, US and continue. And select network. Okay, select this. And I will not show you because this is a password. Okay, I will skip. Right, network connection is success. Now we will click continue. This is the update and install other software. We will click the normal install and update while installing Ubuntu, and install third-party software, graphic, Wi-Fi. I think if you need the NVIDIA driver now, when first install, you can click in this, but I don't click in this. I will install after it install Ubuntu success. Now click continue. Now because it have the Ubuntu system in this machine, but it have error, I will reinstall the Ubuntu. Now we click here this document and photo and author file and click install now. And click continue. Select time. I select the Bangkok because I live in Thailand. I select Bangkok and set the name. I don't show because this is private. Okay, you can set auto name and auto password. Okay, we'll skip this step. Alright, now this is the install process. Now you can waiting the system is install automate. I will skip because this is a use long time in this process. Okay, see you when it's install success. Alright, install project is success. Now we click restart. now we will click enter. And waiting. Now you can put USB out from USB port. Okay, now it's boot. I will skip. Alright, this is the basic Ubuntu non-custom because it's the first install. Next, we will use this command. Add to favorite. Use this command sudo apt update. Okay, I will find add in 7 sudo apt upgrade. Now and enter, and I will skip because this is the password. Now you can skip this. Okay, and I will skip, and now you will enter. Alright, it success uses command sudo okay, have a good day, goodbye.